Haor is large low depression area of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, out of 64 districts, 3 districts are occupied by Haor. In Haor areas, flood is a common disaster historically. But not only flood, but also erosion is a common features in the islands of the Haor. And in each year, many of the people lost their homeland because of wave erosion and also erosion induced by flood. For this reason, they need to develop something new intervention to protect erosion from wave. Though some of the interventions already introduced in our islands to protect wave erosion. But we have planned to introduce a nature-based solution which will have many more cost-cutting co-benefits.
আমার নাম মোসাম্মদ নুরুজা বেগম। আমার গ্রামের নাম গোবিন্দশ্রী, পূবের বাড়ি। আমি এইদিকে নদী ভাঙার কারণে মুক্তা লাগাইছি। এই মুক্তা লাগানোর পরে আমার এই মাটিটা বস্তিত্ব থাকে। এই মুক্তা দিয়ে ভাড়ি তৈরি হয়, এই মুক্তা জ্বালানো ব্যবহার করা হয়, এই মুক্তা দিয়ে অনেক কাজে লাগে। এই কারণে আমি এই মুক্তা লাগাইছি।
Puberbadi Island is situated in the Shonir Haor and on the bank of Boula River. And we have studied for the last 30 years and found Boula River is shifting 0.1 meter towards the island. In these action dishes, we have involved women and youth, and they will be also involved in alternate income generating activities through production of Shidal Party.